Well, you know what time it is. I'm standing out here talking to you. That means we're going on an adventure. And, wow, I'm running out of a little sleep right now, so please forgive any sort of delays in my cognitive speaking to you. But we are about to go to Rhode Island. We're going to Rhode Island for a couple days. It's Saturday currently. We're gonna go till Monday. We're staying in a really nice hotel suites right on the, like, it's like a bay. I think it's the ocean, but it's close to the water, so it's gonna be awesome. But we're gonna explore, relax. There's like a nice whirlpool tub in the room, so that'll be nice, because I hurt all the time after starting my new job. But yeah, so pretty exciting. Can't wait to go get there. It's about a 3-hour drive. So anyways, hang with us. I hope to do some great vlogging this weekend and showing some pretty cool stuff. All right, guys, we'll see you down the road.
I'm referring to the dog as the officer.
Rhode Island, we've made it.
However, you're exactly right, Captain. What they're going to do, even though they cannot clear.
Yeah, it's a big bridge.
Lighthouse down there, that little island. So cute.
We made it. It is so cold outside. As you can see by my glasses.
Run away.
203. All right. I feel like we're in a doctor's office. Doesn't it kind of
cold.
have that feeling?
Not very cozy.
God, a full kitchen? Kitchen? Where you keep all the dead bodies. Oh yeah, washer dryer. TV. Check out the fancy bathroom. Oh yeah.
That window's gonna be nice.
Oh yeah.
Is it frosted though?
I think it has to be. It's a dad-sized bathtub right here. Oh, look at that. Fancy.
Very nice, very nice.
Ooh. This is fancy. We have Juliet. Whoa. They lied. Over in the living room there is. No way. What the frick? Is that just a wall?
Yeah.
What the? They said literally a water view bedroom. Oh, they're getting a complaint. Here's the water view, but still.
But you can't really access it. The table's here, and then the bedroom's just a wall. That's kind of crazy.
That is very crazy. It's like that's the pool right there. On the website, it literally said water view bedroom or something like that, and it said 2 Juliet balconies and windows from the bathroom.
Yeah.
I mean, the water's out
And
there.
the water is just like a little pond.
So picking up some goods for the weekend and stopped at Walmart, and my gosh, these Walmarts are so ghetto. Or not ghetto, but they're just like old. so retro. Oh my god. This is taking me back. Coming up here on the right side of the road is an abandoned casino. Oh my gosh. I think it's abandoned. Maybe it's just closed because of COVID. Sure looks abandoned to me. Like, no lights, nothing. Oh my gosh. Good morning. That's what our view looks like. Some lit television on right now.
Everything is going great. Oh, sure. It's bad enough I have to act in the kind of pictures you get from me at Lemon Studio.
Who's that man? Who's that man? Who's that, buddy?
Look at all these keys, man.
Whoa. I don't know if this is the best place to walk. Landmines everywhere.
Come here, yeah. Wow. You're so big. Don't go in the ocean.
You would go right for the drop-off. Whoa!
Yeah.
There's our hotel right there. And this is the historic part of the hotel. Yeah, that'd be sweet to have a view on that side. I can say this is my first time being on the ocean when it's cold out. In the 30s. How about you, babe? Who still has her mask on?
Oh. I don't remember. Do I ever remember anything?
No, that's true. Oh!
I see a couple. Ooh. You know what this is?
Oh shoot! Yeah. Ooh. Ooh.
Very wet.
Ooh yeah. That literally like moved.
Yep.
It was like that. Ooh, and I just got a nice whiff too.
I wanted that big one out there. There's
Oh,
no
yeah.
way.
It moved like that ground in the House of Frankenstein.
Actually, I wonder if it's just
I don't know if I said where we're at, but we're in Newport, Rhode Island. Well, this is what, Middleton?
I don't know, because our hotel's called Newport.
Yeah, it's
Hotel.
like, I think it's like a suburb, but that's like Newport, says Newport Beach House. Is that an entire house? It's still weird for me to like just take a weekend getaway, drive 3 hours and be at the ocean.
I know.
Because I would see the ocean every like couple years of my life.
Ooh, this is like very sinky.
Ooh, yeah, it is.
It's weird.
Yes.
Why is it like that? I can't believe he's walking on the sand.
You little goofball. Flo's Clam Shack, seen on Travel Channel and the Food Network. Guy, have you been here before? Love this shark. That's so cool. I wonder if people know I'm from Iowa, you know. Insane mansion. Yeah. All mansions around the street. And gates. Historic White Lodge. Look at that tree right there. Oh my gosh. Oh.
This white one. How tall it is.
These places are gigantic.
Where did these people come from?
National Museum of Illustration.
Wow.
Marble House. Oh my gosh. They're private. These are private property.
It must be the celebrities or something. I don't know.
Like, they're just all sitting right on the side of the ocean. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? This is Ocean Drive in Newport, Rhode Island. Literally is one of the coolest things I've ever seen. Some of the biggest mansions I've ever seen. And they're not like new mansions, they're old school mansions. Pretty stinking incredible. It's Babe. This is pretty cool. It's not too bad. It's like, what, like high 30s, mid 30s probably. Alright, this is incredible.
It reminds me of that little thing we sat on for our anniversary by the lighthouse.
Yep, 100%. Agreed.
Get back up.
Hey, buddy. Get out. Ah.
Yeah. Hey, on to this one.
Whoa.
That one.
Yeah. You like this, buddy? You like this? Yeah? You like a little rough road here. We're at Fort Adams, Rhode Island, and this actually was featured on an episode of Ghost Hunters, like I think 2015.
And I are actively investigating the sound of footsteps and movement here in the bakery at Fort Adams. We're trying to locate where it's coming from, and I feel my jacket got like tugged on. It's
Yep. Yep. Yep.
That's a little loud, honey. Lay down.
What I'm here for right there. Fish and chips. So all this stuff looks so good though. This right here. That would be amazing. It's out. You ready to eat, bud? He's interested in everybody else. First dish, lobster bisque. It is very good. I gotta just like carpetbagger, like barely even have it in my mouth. Like, oh man, that's good. That's good. I literally have a bucket of fish and chips. Lobster mac and cheese. And little fish and chips for babe too. I mean, little man too. Right, man? Right? Right?
Like orange.
Oh, really? It's cool to me.
Not happy.
Street really cool. Old church.
Sounds like he was mocking that seagull.
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
He was like, caw.
GoPro died, so onto the phone. Wow, this is such a cool church. Yeah, right, bud? This old cemetery out front. Whoa, this is cool. So, I had to try this place for a little late breakfast. It's already gone for the most part, but I had a Zeppeli with like Bavarian cream, whipped cream, and cherry on top. Yeah, amazing. And then an assortment over here. Oh my goodness. A plus that literally is filled with chocolate mousse.
Way to go, Ma.
Way to go, Ma. All right, Manly. Stay on the paved path. Don't fall off like that. Nah, it just started. I'm already out of breath.
water down there. Holy smokes.
I know, it's so clear.
It's so clear.
Whoa. So the whole point of the cliff walk is to walk on one side and see the ocean, and on the other side is to see rich people's mansions. You'll literally be right in their backyard, which is pretty cool. So, historic cliff walking trail. Guarantee there's a pool in there. All right, here's the first baby falling off the cliff sign. Wow, this is cool. Wow, look at that water.
It's so clear. It's like a river. Like how is that the ocean? So beautiful to swim with this one. Those little ducks down there.
Yeah. Sleep on Rhode Island. This place is unbelievably epic. All right, buddy? Alan's just here eating his cheese puffs. It's like, yeah, it's all right. I've seen better. Right? Oh, for me?